Thank you very much, Chair. I will keep my comments brief. Earlier in the Chamber, we discussed Plaid Cymru's aim of training and recruiting an extra 1,000 doctors in Wales, and I was extremely disappointed with the response of the Minister.
Not achievable of geiriau.
Those were the Cabinet Secretary's words. Now, we're talking here about a 10-year programme. This is something that is necessary. I hope we can agree on that we do need more doctors in Wales. It is something that is an ambition of ours. Hopefully, that ambition could be shared across the Chamber. But it is also realistic. But it can't be realistic. It can only be realistic if we actually increase how many people we train as doctors in Wales. And what's also disappointing in listening to the Cabinet Secretary is that medical schools in Wales are telling me that they're confident that they could train so many more doctors in Wales over the next 10 years. And it is clear, I think, that there is consensus, a growing consensus within the medical world in Wales that Bangor can play its part in contributing these additional doctors. Now, I'm also disappointed on a number of levels today that the government in its amendment has withdrawn any reference to the development of medical education in Bangor. Now, I understand why you want to highlight what you see as successes in terms of medical recruitment over the last few years. I'll give you that. But why withdraw the reference or delete the reference to Bangor from our motion today? As Sian has explained, achieving a full-blown medical school which is self-sufficient in Bangor could take some years. We acknowledge that fully, but that has to be the ultimate aim, and we must move as a matter of urgency now towards having medical students embedded in a medical education department in Bangor. I will refer to Keele University, which has a medical school now, but started as part of the Manchester School of Medicine. There are those kinds of partnership that we can put in place from next year on, working with Cardiff University and Swansea University. This is necessary. We need the doctors. We need to develop the expertise in rural medicine. We need to develop expertise in developing Welsh medium medical education also. Therefore, on a number of levels, I need to see us moving towards a consensus in terms of the direction of travel here.
Reference to a couple of points made from Michelle Brown. Does this solve the recruitment and training problem that we have in Wales? Goodness me, no, it doesn't resolve it, but it could be one heck of a contribution to what we're trying to achieve. And to Lee Waters, like yourself, I have spent a career in communication, so I agree with you entirely that engagement is important. You can engage as much as you like. You can send the local health board chief executives round to every single patient's house to explain that there's a problem with the local surgery. But unless you have the doctors coming through the system, you will always be faced with this problem that we have, which is leading to the closure of surgeries in Buryport and in Porthcawl and in many other places that we're hearing about in Wales. So support this and aim high. Let's get this medical school in Bangor. Wales needs it. Wales's patients need it.